this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to scan your iPhone or iPad for spyware using Certo AntiSpy. First, open the Certo application on your computer. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer using the USB cable. If prompted, please tap Trust on your iPhone to continue. After a few seconds, details of your device will be displayed. Click Scan Now to start the scan. Certo will now perform a full scan of your device for spyware and other security threats. When complete, the results of the scan are displayed. Certo AntiSpy groups results into 5 categories, with status colors indicating the severity of any threats. Red means a severe threat. Your personal data is at risk and action is required. Orange indicates a medium threat. A potential risk has been detected and requires your attention. Green is all clear. No threats were detected for this category. Click the arrow next to any threats to view additional information, and click the Remove button to remove it from your device. In addition, Certo AntiSpy will also perform an app permissions check. Click View Apps to see the results of this check in more detail. Here you can see a full list of apps that have access to your location, microphone, or camera. And it's as simple as that. If you're concerned someone might have installed spyware on your iPhone or iPad, scan it today with Certo AntiSpy.